Class 8, Chapter 3, List and Tables in HTML. So today we'll learn to create tables in HTML. So why we need tables? Tables are used to display data in a tabular form. For presenting data in tabular manner, we draw rows and columns on paper. Similarly, we can create table in HTML. And to create table in HTML, we use table tag. Table tag is a container tag, and table tag have many child tags also. So we use table tag to create tables in HTML. To create table, we need title for the table. For title, we have one option, that is we use table caption. Usually every table we prepare in given a caption or heading to provide further clarity to the reader about the contents of the table. So for that we use table caption. To give a title for the table, we use table caption. And to give the title, we use caption tag in HTML. The caption tag is used to display the title for the table on the top. So this is the example. You can see caption, this is the caption. So the text is, this is the caption, but this is written inside the caption tag to give the title of the table. Next we have table row. Each row in table is defined with tr tag. So to create any row in table, we use tr tag. It is a container tag, hence it must end with \tr. Next we have table heading. To give the heading to the column, we use table heading. Table heading, column heading can be defined using ts tag. So we use ts tag to give the heading to the column, and it's a container tag. It display the heading in bold letter. So just look at this example. Here you find inside table caption is written there, and tr is used to make the row, and th there, th name and th roll number is two table heading created inside table row. Next we have table data. Data inside the column can be displayed using td tag. So to insert data or to fill data inside the table, we use td tag, and it is also a container tag. TD tag must be present inside TR tag. TR we use to create table row. So the TD, the table data, must be present inside TR tag, row tag. So in this example, inside TR, TD is used to fill the data inside row, in the row of the table. TD Dheeraj and his roll number is 5, and next TD is Sweta, roll number 9. So the output you can see here inside table, row is there, name and roll number, and TD, that is used for data, Dheeraj roll number 5, Sweta roll number 9.